Hello everyone, I am Mr. Abdul Qadir from Zama Time Academy. I'm the teacher who gives the verbal section. Today I'm going to introduce a little video for you about some tips that are very important in answering any analogy question. As you know, analogy question usually presents a set of two words as a question, followed by four choices, and the student's turn is to find out which pair or which choice is the same as the first pair. Let's introduce these steps. Sorry. The first step that you should be familiar with is that the first pair usually has part of speech. We have two words that are, for example, noun and adjective. So the answer should be the same. Look at this one. If we have here noun and adjective, the answer should also be noun and adjective. If the main pair is verb and noun, the answer also should be noun and verb. Adjective and adjectives both should be adjectives, and so on. So the order is very important of the parts of speech. Let's have an example on this to make it clear to understand. Look at this example. Here we have a question. We have fish and slippery, fish and slippery. And we have four choices or four answers, and we are going to find the answer. Now, according to part of speech here, fish is noun and slippery is adjective. Now, the answer should be, now the first word should be noun and the second should be adjective. Before we answer, we should look at the words. Paper is noun, write is verb, so we cancel this option. Pond is noun and rectangular is adjective. We'll use this one also. Wire is noun and cord is noun. We cancel this one. Bark is noun, adjective, rough as adjective, so we use this one. So we cancel the A and C. Now what's left? We have B and D. Now we are going to choose between B and D. Fish, as you know, here the fish and savory here, the relation between the two words is characteristic. The characteristic of the fish, the fish is slippery. Now what to do here? We have to go over the choices and see the same relationship here. Pond is rectangular and bark is rough. Both have the same relation. Now let's look at pond. Have you ever seen a pond that is rectangular? This shape, are all the ponds are rectangular? No, this is not fair. So we cancel this one. Bark is rough. Yes, the bark of tree is usually not soft, it's rough. So the answer here is D. The answer is D. I hope it's clear. This is the first step in analogy. Let's go to the second tip, which is called a word order. Also, an analogy word order is very important. If we go forward or backward, is very important. You have to follow the main pair. If we have, for example, tool user and tool, we have to follow the same thing. The first one should be tool user and the second should be tool, and so on. Look at the example here, scales and fish. Now, scales and fish here, we have the relationship between scales and fish that is part of. So fish have scales. Fish have scales. So we have to follow the same order like this one. Backward. Okay. And see which one has the same relation and the same order. Fair is bear, this can't be. Dress have woman, no. Leaves have tree, no. Man has skin, yes. So according to the order here, C is the correct answer. This is the second one. And the third one is called exactness. Exactness. What do you mean by exactness? Exactness, sometimes you have two or more than answers that seem good answers for the first pair. And you are not sure which one is the correct one. Now, what we do here in this stage, we have to go to this step, which is called exactness. Okay, we have to look for the word that the answer that is most exactly that situation. Look at the example here. We have detonation and blast. In this pair, yeah, detonation causes blast. What detonation is when you mix two chemicals, they make a blast or explosion. So shoot causes hunt, short circuit causes spark, hair causes shear, wolf causes kill. Now, from these ones, shoot causes hunt could be, we leave it. Short circuit causes spark could be. Hair causes shear, no, this will be cancelled. Wolf causes kill could be. So we have three choices that can be an answer for this one. So in this way, what shall we do? We have to go to the word exact. Which one do you think is more exact and similar to the first one? The first one, detonation and blast, represents a process in science. Which one is a process? Is shoot a process? No, I don't think so. Is wolf a process? No. Short circuit is a process? Yes. So the answer here for this one is short circuit and spark. So the answer is B. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to introduce another video soon. Goodbye, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.